Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a payment method to your Amazon profile. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to your account. At the top right next to returns and orders, you'll see something like account and list. Simply click on it right now. Once you're in this page, you can see many options like your orders, logging and security and everything. But don't worry, what you have to do is simply click on this Your Payment section. Click on it right now. Well, once you're here, as you can see, currently I have added no cards or accounts. Well, I do want to add a payment method, so I'm gonna click on this button right here. Well, do note that you can click on this button right here that says add a payment method as well. I'm gonna click on it right now. Once you click on it, well, you can see something like this opened up. Well, from here you can add a FSA or HSA card or simply credit or debit cards. Do note that you can also use personal checking accounts. But now I'm just gonna try to use a debit or credit card. So I'm gonna click on this button right here. Then what you guys have to do is simply enter your card number, name on your card, the expiration date, and your CVV or CVC code. And once everything's done, simply click on this add your card button. And guys, that's it. That's how you add your credit or debit card or simply your payment method in your Amazon account. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.